both corrugated both PP counts. Conical. Hello, our show will start 3 minutes later. Yeah. 这个正在直播，谢谢。很快。 Tencent. Welcome. My show will start very soon. Wait a minute.
Epidemic.
Hello, I'm Tracy. Nice to see you again. We are Qingdao Hanhai Plastic Machinery Corporation Limited. And today my show has two parts, two big parts. First, I'd like to introduce, today I will introduce you three parts. First, I will introduce the situation of China about clients under these circumstances. And the second part, I will introduce some samples which made by our machines. I will introduce them in my office. The third part, I will go to workshop to show you our production lines. This is today's contents I will introduce. And first, I'd like to explain why we do this live show. You know, since 2020, the epidemic started and it blocked us to visit each other. Flights not that convenient like before. So we do this live show. You can see us directly. You can ask us questions when we communicate. When we do this live show, we will answer you if you have any questions. So you can type to us directly from this from this live show room. So we will answer you immediately. And you can see our factory. You can see everything from our company. This is the purpose why we do this live show. Let you know we are real factory and what we do, who we are, and about our company. We established 2011. Actually, we have experience over 20 years for producing this plastic extrusion machine. We have over 20 years. For plastic extrusion machine history in China, about 30 years. Before that, Chinese about 30 years. Before that, Chinese manufacturer, Chinese people who wanted to make plastic products, they need imported machine from Germany, from Italy, United States. But little by little, we started to produce machines by ourselves. But at the beginning, of course, there are not that. At the beginning, of course, there are not that. Our technology is not mutual. At the first 10 years, our machines, not, I can say not good that time, but during past over 2 decades, nowadays, Chinese machine technology is good enough. We are very confident with our technology, with our quality. The most important thing, the same time, we will give you the best price with high quality machine. So if you are interested with any kind of extrusion machine, you want to start your new business, you can contact us. We can give you turnkey project. We can give you know-how. Our service will be A to Z. From the very beginning to the end, we can give you our proposal. We can give you suggestion, advice. We are very experienced, and our customers are all over the world, and their business are getting bigger and bigger, and their business are getting bigger and bigger. If necessary, you can visit our client's factory instead of China. Since nowadays you cannot come to China directly, but you can go to our client's factory instead of China. If you have any demand, so please contact us. We will give you any information you want. This is our company information. And about our products, we make plastic pipe extrusion machine, plastic sheets, boards extrusion machine, plastic profile extrusion machine, and other plastic extrusion machines like pellets machine and PP PET belts machine, PP hollow corrugated sheet extrusion machine. All these machines are, the main part is extruders. Just change different die heads, change different auxiliary machines, you can make different products. So we are plastic extruder. We are plastic extruder manufacturer. The main part is plastic extruder. And today I'd like to introduce four products for among our all machines. I will introduce 4 products. First is plastic extruder. Second, plastic pipe extruder machine. Third is plastic profile extruder machine. And next will be plastic sheet board extruder machine. The last one I will introduce PP corrugated hollow sheet. PP corrugated hollow sheet extruder machine. Welcome to my show. I'm Tracy. I'm introducing our company machines, our company products. First, I'd like to start with plastic, our company products. First, I'd like to start with plastic extruder because all our machines we call plastic extruder machine. What is plastic? Plastic including many types, for example, PVC, resin, and PE, polyethylene, PE including a high density polyethylene, low density polyethylene, PP, polypropylene, ABS, PS, PET. All this raw material, chemical, all these chemicals, we call it plastic. You can see, if you look around now, you can see many products made by plastic. We make plastic extrusion machine. What is extrusion? Extrusion means through different types of die head, you can get products continuously. For plastic machine, there are 3 types. Plastic machine including 3 types. First one is plastic injection machine. It made make product one by one. For example, this cap, it's made by plastic injection machine. It made one by one by mouth. And another type is plastic blowing machine. For our water bottle, made by plastic blowing machine. Then plastic extrusion machine, which we make plastic extrusion machine. Plastic extruder including 3 types. One is single screw extruder. Single screw means there is only one screw. Inside of this extruder with different diameter and different capacity. Of course, according to different chemical, different raw material, we choose different screw to make different products. But all these chemicals can use plastic single screw extruder. This is the first type. Another type is plastic conical double screw extruder. Plastic conical double is only in China. It's Chinese product. In German, they have parallel screw extruder, twin screw extruder, but this conical double screw extruder made by Chinese, special designed for PVC resin, PVC products. For PVC products, we use conical double screw extruder. And the third type is parallel conical double screw. Okay. Hafiz, welcome. Thanks for support. I'll talk with you later. The third type is parallel twin screw extruder. In China, we mainly use it for granules, to make pellets. This is three types of plastic extruder. First one is single screw extruder. Second, conical. First one is single screw extruder. Second, conical twin screw extruder. Third type is parallel twin screw extruder. This is plastic extruders. And the second product I'd like to introduce for you is plastic pipe extruder machine. We are specialized in this industry over 20 years. If you want any kind of plastic pipe extruder machine, make any kind of plastic pipe, you can contact us. We will give you good proposal. And we can also do the customized machine according to your request. You tell me what you want. You want which kind of production line, which kind of pipes, what raw material, what raw diameter, and what capacity. We will give you machine customized. Okay, for plastic pipe extruder machine, according to raw material, we divided. Yes, your voice doubling. Please check your sound system. W, what do you? Yes, your voice doubling. Please check your sound system. W, what do you mean doubling? Doubling. Maybe I will restart, okay? Automatic repeat. Maybe you can check out from your side. I don't know how to do here. Thanks. Hafiz, can you hear me? You quit and you enter again. Can you do that? You quit and you enter again. And check voice. Check my, you enter again. And check voice. Check my voice again. Okay? Can you do that? Hello, can you hear me? I'm Tracy. I'm doing live show. How about now? Hafiz? Still same? It's okay now? Oh, good. Plastic pipe extruder machine. And Mr. Hafiz Abdul Hafiz is my dearest client in Pakistan. If you have any question from Pakistan, you can ask him. He's my good friend. For plastic pipe extrusion machine, according to raw material, we can divide it generally, we divide it two types. First is PVC pipe extrusion machine, and the second is PP, PE, PERT, ABS pipe extrusion machine. Why we do it need other additives to mix together? We call it formula. This process is a little complicated than others. PVC pipe, we make machine from small diameter to large. The smallest we can start from 16 millimeter up to 1000 millimeter. Our machine can make this range, but of course not from one production line. You just tell us how much diameter you want to make. Welcome, I'm Tracy. You just let me know how much diameter you want to make. We will give you proposal for production lines. And small diameter usually start from 16 up to 63 diameter, 63 millimeter. This range we use one production line, and from 75 up to 160 millimeter, we use another production line from 200 millimeter up to 400. This is another production line. Then above 400 millimeter up to 1000. This range pipe, we use one production line. We use different machines for different diameters. And for this PVC pipe, if you want to make it, you need mixer. Because just now I explained there is a formula for this PVC pipe. Mainly raw material is PVC resin and calcium carbonate, but you need other additives. Their quantity is small, but they are necessary. You have to use all of them. For example, stearic acid, stabilizer, CPE, ACI, chemicals. You need these additives mixed together to make PVC pipe. The first step you get formula. Then you put this formula according to different weight into mixer. In mixer, all these chemicals will work with temperature about 120 degrees. 120 degrees about 15 minutes. 15 minutes, then it need to cool down. After mix the raw material, this material will put into conical double screw extruder, then through die head. We also call it mold. From mold, then you can get pipe. Like this shape, this is pipe, you can get pipe. And you can put this mark line like this on pipes. Mark line need another small extruder. So all our machines are customized. Different customers have different requirements. After this pipe get out from the head, it will enter vacuum cooling system, vacuum cooling tank. Also, we call it calibrator. Vacuum calibrator. Welcome. I'm introducing plastic pipe extrusion machine, but we have other types of machines. I will introduce one by one. If you are interested with any kind of them, please contact us. We will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, and if you want to produce any kind of products used by plastic extrusion machine, you can let us know. Thanks. We will give you turnkey project. Trust me, you will get the very high quality machine with best price. And this March, we have promotion. And if you buy machines in this month, you will get promotion. We will give you special discount. This month is, have Alibaba have much expo. If you buy machines in this month, we will give you special discount. So contact us, okay? Continue to our pipe extruder machine. Just now I introduced the PVC pipe extruder machine. PVC pipe from mixer to extruder, then die head and vacuum cooling. Hello, sorry, I come back. For PVC pipe, if you want to make this PVC pipe, you let us know what diameter you want to make. And another important thing is you need to tell us the thickness. The thickness, how much you want to make. We also call it pressure. You need to tell us the first is diameter. Welcome, I'm Tracy. I'm introducing our machine. But later, this part, I'm introducing the samples in my office. Next part, we will go to workshop to show you our machines. We have machines in our finished machines in our workshop. You can see every part I'm introducing now, later. Okay, now I'm introducing how to make this PVC pipe. And if you want to make this business, you just contact us and know what diameter you want to make. And another important thing is thickness. You have to tell us what thickness you want to make. It's also called pressure. Small thickness with low pressure, and more thickness means much pressure. Small thickness, maybe you use for sewer, drainage, wastewater pipe. For thickness, welcome. For thicker wall thickness pipe, it usually used for water supply. Water supply need pressure, but wastewater doesn't need. Welcome, Carlos. Welcome to my show. Okay, so you need to tell us first the pipe diameter, then you tell us the pressure. You're welcome. Then we will give you proposal. We have very professional teams. Our salespersons are professional catalogs. No problem. What product you are interested, you just tell us. We will give you proposal accordingly. Okay. Our sales team is very professional, and the most important thing is we have qualified, really professional over 10 years, over 15 years experience engineers. We have a very strong support. Okay, if you are interested with any kind of our machines, you contact us. Even we can exchange our ideas, knowledges, no problem. Okay, I introduced the PVC pipe just now. Another type of pipe is PP, PE, ABS, and PC sometimes. Welcome to my show. Why I introduce PVC pipe first, then the others? Like I told you, PVC pipe raw material is PVC resin, it's powder, and it's related with the formula with the different materials together mixed. But for PPPE ABS pipe, you just need one kind of raw material. You just need these pellets. This is pellets. This is raw material for PP, PE, ABS, and PC sometimes for different purposes. This is raw material. For this kind of pipe, we use single screw extruder. According to different diameter, different capacity, we use different size of extruders. We have many kinds of clients all over the world for plastic pipe extrusion machines, and all of them made very big improvement for business. Now all of them are very big factory. For PPPE ABS pipe extrusion machine, raw material just now I showed you, just use pellets, and besides this, you need some master batch, make different colors. This granules, white one is virgin material for PP. This is PP, but you can see some blue material is, we call it master batch. With blue, with this color, you can get blue pipes. If we don't add any other master batch, the pipe will be white like this. But if you put master batch by blue, you can get blue color like this, blue color. And if you add black master batch, of course, what the usage for granular for master batch, the ratio for with PP raw material and master batch, of course, PPP is same. I just use PP as an example. For PPP material, the ratio with master batch is 100 to 2, means 100 kilograms PPP granules. You just put 2 kilograms master batch. Hi. And the process, how to make these pipes. The first step is raw materials. It's simple. Only granules. Then put these granules through the automatic loading system up to single screw extruder. Today you are the thank you very much. Really appreciate. Thank you for visit. The process for PPPE type extrusion type process from raw material through automatic loading system to single screw extruder, and the temperature for this raw material will be 270 degrees up to 280 degrees. this is temperature for PPP raw material. And through this single screw extruder, you will get different sizes of pipes with die head. Then to 270 degrees, we have to cool it down. So usually we use 2 or 3 cooling tanks. Then it will be hung off machine. After hung off machine is cutter. You can cut it 12 meters pipe, and you can cut it 6 meters as you like, because our machine work continuously. You see this side cut, it's very smooth. Our cutter is chipless cutter. Then you will get a final product like this. This is the process how to make PPE pipes. Next step, we'll package. This is general process, and sometimes people want to make more than 1 layers. How to do it with more than 1 layer? This pipe, you see, is only single layer. This black color, this is single layer, and with these mark lines, these blue mark lines, we use small mark line extruder, very small extruder. Later, I'll show you all these machines in our workshop. But sometimes people want to use different raw materials. For example, they want to make 3 layers. Inner and outer layer, they want to use virgin material, but in the middle, they want to use recycled material. Then we can make it co-extrusion type. We can make co-extrusion type with different, more than 1 extruders. Welcome to my show. So for all these pipe machines, no matter PVC or PPP, ABS, PC pipe, we can make different diameters with different capacity, and sometimes if you want, we can make different layers according to your request. For this sample, you can see clearly it's different colors, inner and outside is same, it's blue, and in the middle is white color. Outside and inner use virgin material. That means new, 100%. It's brand new material. But for in the middle layer, you can use 100% recycled material. This is the most important part for plastic material products compared with other types. Before we use steel pipes, we use cement. We use other material pipes before, but now we use plastic. Compared with other materials, most important, very big advantage for these plastic products is it can recycle. It's environmental. From raw material to the whole process, there is no waste water, no noisy, no pollution at all. And for these products, you can use it many times. You can use it. And the life for this product over 50 years, 50 years. It's long life. It has long life. This is very important. This is plastic pipe extrusion machine, which is a very important part, very important product in our factory. We have many years for this product. If you are interested, with any kind, I have a question. What's the difference between PVC and PE WPC? WPC is another type of raw material. I will explain later. Okay. This is plastic pipe extrusion machine. If you are interested with, if you want to if you want to establish a new factory, you can contact us. We will give you a turnkey proposal. Okay, we have very professional. We have very professional team. It's a little hot. AC. Next part, I will introduce another product, plastic profile. Welcome. I'm Tracy. We are Qingdao Hanhai Plastic Extrusion Machine. We are extrusion machine manufacturer, over 20 years experience. If you have any demand for this kind of machine, you can contact us. We will give you know-how. We will give you proposal, all details. Okay. Welcome. I'm Tracy. Next part, I will introduce another kind of extrusion machine. At the beginning, I introduced the different types of extrusion machine, but they all make by extruders, but by changing different die heights and different auxiliary machines, you can get different products. Next part will profile. What is profile? Pipe is round shape, sometimes it's square. This is pipe. But profile, there is so many kinds of types, so many kinds of shapes. Okay, this is for window, we call it profile. And the different shape, these all profiles. Before we use wooden material to make our fences, our gardens, we use wooden material. But nowadays you can use plastic to replace them. We call this kind of plastic products is of course, raw material is PVC. We call it PVC profile. How to make this kind of plastic profile? I should say plastic profile. The process according to different raw material. We use different machines. If you are interested, you can contact us. It's complicated, but now today I will introduce one of them. It's a new type of products. We call it WPC. Just now I show you all these profiles. You see the different shapes with the co-extrusion. This type is soft. This is soft. This is soft PVC, and this is hard, rigid. With one production line, you can change different molds to make different types of profiles. One production line usually can make suitable for 3 to 4 profiles. Of course, you can change different molds to make many types of profiles, but change these molds cost time and material waste. So usually, one production line, we suggest you just match 3 to 4 profile, 3 to 4 molds for one production line. The process with different raw material, we use different machines. I want to drink some water. Welcome to my show, Luis. From which country? P. Hello. Thanks for your patience. I come back. I'm introducing plastic profile extrusion machine. Plastic, of course, there are PVC, PP, PE, and some special material like TPE, TPR. All these material can produce profiles. According to different raw material, we use different machines. Welcome. Today, mainly I introduce one wall panels. I will bring you one sample to show you. For indoors, we use PVC, WPC. Means raw material is welcome. I'm Tracy. I'm introducing plastic profile extrusion machine. And now I'm in office, use my samples to introduce our machines. Later, we will go to workshop to show you our production lines. Okay. For indoors, these WPC products can make WPC wall panel and WPC ceilings, WPC floor, and of course, very important, one of our important product is WPC door and frame. We have many projects. We had many projects for this WPC door and frames. We are one of the earliest manufacturer for WPC door and frame machines. Welcome. And this is for indoor WPC products. Usually, these types: WPC wall panels, WPC ceiling panel, and the floors, WPC wall door and frames. We can use this kind of WPC products to replace real wooden products. From the surface, they look like the same, but it's plastic. It's made by plastic. For wood powder, we don't need cut trees. We just use some waste wood. We can use sawdust to make this wood powder, and we can use some plants to make this wood powder. All this raw material can use for this WPC products. From this part, this product is really environmental. It's the most important thing is environmental. This is for indoors. This is for indoor product. Both of them are WPC products, but for indoors and outdoors, the process is different. For indoors, we use PVC. Welcome, Nicholas. Welcome. Powder. We use the mesh between 80 to 100 meshes. And PVC resin, we use 5 to 7 types. According to different products, we use these types of PVC material. Thank you very much. And